large with and pale staining. No? We will look for that. Okay, Sam. This one is your oligodendrocyte. Right? The nucleus is oval, small, dark staining. Okay? Last did I mention oligo? It's supposed to be, I'm sorry, that is the astrocyte. I'm sorry. Astrocytes will have pale staining cytoplasm, this one, okay? This one is another type of your neuron. This dark rounded nucleus, these are your oligodendrocytes. The nucleus is oval, small, and you cannot appreciate anymore the cytoplasm. They're small, dark staining. Plus, to appreciate the cytoplasm, the dendrites, and the axons, we have to give a special stain, which are your silver and gold stains, metallic stains. But with H&E, you can appreciate only the nucleus. This one is the microglia. They are described as a nucleus which is elongated, this one, small and dark staining. Okay? The pale staining cells, the one I showed you, are your astrocytes. This one are your astrocytes. And then those that seemingly look like just nucleus, this one, these are your oligodendrocytes, and microglia will be those that are elongated. And the rest, which are pellet shaped, are the neurons. And this one are neurons. Very large with a prominent nucleus, okay, that is giving a fish eye appearance. Okay, this one has. Yeah. Okay. The white matter, if we go to the white matter, which is in the periphery of your spinal cord, will just be composed of your nerve fibers. Okay, so this is the white matter. Let us go to high power. Okay. So class, this is not actually a cell. We are now focused in the white matter. What you see, this one, the red dot there, that is not the nucleus nor the nucleolus. This is the axon of the nerve bodies that you see in the gray matter. Okay? Mostly, what you can see in the white matter are nerve fibers. And because of the staining, the myelination was removed. So the ones that you see, the red ones, surrounded by a coat or... So this one are your axons, or your nerve fibers. Okay? So this one is found specifically in the white matter. So in the center, class, what do we have in the center of this one? That is your central canal. Okay, the central canal is lined with your ependymal cells. The lining there is your ependymal cells. Believe me, there are ependymal cells. Okay, so this one yan class. These are your ependymal cells lining the central canal. Now we go to our next